Where's that VB fam? Learn Bang, back with another episode. We all about that foodie, yo. We love everybody, though. Banging out some more episodes. No drama, it's all about mama. No sticking to a script, it's real life, honey. Stay tuned, and don't forget to watch them episodes. We all about that foodie, yo. Thanks, VB fam. Love y'all. Hey y'all, how's it going? This is VERN Bang! Yes, baby, we banging out another episode. Hey, that's what I got. Hey. Anyways, y'all, hopefully you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. I just thank everybody for tuning in. I just want to thank all the new subscribers. I just want to thank everybody who is flooding to my channel and watch me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for all the love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. With that being said, we are doing a twist and take on a video. So stay tuned. And with that being said, don't forget to get you some lips. Yes, baby, get you some lips, man. Yes, sugar. Get you some Lips hot sauce. Also, don't forget to get you some Yummy Bites bonnets. You can get it in red. Yeah, see? I said I was going to wear it in the video. Because the one good thing I love about this is you can put it on. Your head, it's so silky and soft. Yeah. You can put your fluff and locks under there. Oh my gosh, she feels so good. The bands don't constrict on your head. They look super cute. They're super adjustable. Twist it, twerk it to where you want to. Yeah, I said twist and twerk it to where you'll need it to be. And then you can reverse it. Burn! Yes, I said you can reverse it. And the other side is black. Yes, honey. You can reverse this, and then you can also get it in pink and reversible yellow, and they got the beautiful Yummy Bites TV logo. So, please look in my pinned comments. You will see where to get your lips and merch, hey! And where to get your Yummy Bites reversible bonnets. Yay! Hey! Yes, honey. So the bonnets are 25 bucks as of now. And she has some beautiful big earrings. If you like big hoop earrings, like, I only got one ear pierced, but, you know. Maybe we'll work on the other one. But she got beautiful, beautiful, big, it say love on it. She got a couple left, she said. You'll have to go to her channel to find it out, which is Yummy Bites TV. If you do not know who Lips is, or Yummy Bites is, honey, guess what? In the description is their channel link as well. Yay. Yes, honey. And the best thing I think I love about this bonnet is you can go, just pop that cap off, baby, and look. And fabulous, you know. Keep that hair in place, honey. So, anyways, yeah, sugar. Woo! So, we are doing a game today. We got different sauces. You know, we got lips. Our lips. Look at that. It's so beautiful. We got some B-Love sauce. And you say, Burn, you're playing a game. We got some tartar sauce. So, the game I'm playing today is what foods are from the Dollar Tree? And so, comment down below. Yes, honey. So, comment down below what foods you think are from the Dollar Tree. Some are and some aren't. So, you let me know in the comments and on the next video. Girl. And I cooked them several different ways. Fried, air fried, microwave. Girl. This pizza's good. This is a combination pizza. Of course, you know I put extra cheese on her. But yeah, we're just gonna eat, and like I said, this is a little tell me what foods I'm eating that are from the Dollar Tree. But hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful week. I've been watching a lot of amazing, great videos today. Yeah. I'm dipping. What am I dipping this in? Hey! Yeah, the last of my beloveds. Baby. So good. But yeah, what I was saying, definitely gets you a, Yummy Bites bonnet, whether you have hair or don't have hair. Girl, they're going to keep it in check. They're going to keep you looking right and tight. For sure. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. It was warm here in Texas for several days. Tonight it's getting a little cold, but it may, during the day heat up again. The hell, who knows? It's like warm, hot, warm, hot. That's the way it is usually this time. But it usually gets colder than this usually. Quite a bit in between. So this is pizza. So let me know. Is this from a regular store or the Dollar Tree? So we got other suspects up here. Yes. Thank you. I know. I heard like 15 people say, your hair looks fabulous. Thank you. Built by VERN. Yes. I love building wigs. I wish I could afford to buy. Like, this would be my ultimate channel. Like, but, right. I wash them, I style them, I build them, but this way, I wash her all the time, dry her off in the head, and took like a week. But my video would be like, or my new channel, like, or my passion would actually be building wigs. It's like me. Not building them for anybody else, just for myself, Because everybody has different tastes, so what may look good to me may not look good to you. And in the process of doing it, it may take you a try or two, but that would be fun to do. Like a process of, because this took me, a little bit, some sewing technique. So we got some egg rolls. So yeah, that's why I said if you got wigs that are just laying around, you don't want them no more, you're going to donate them, or you want to get rid of them, used, non-used, or maybe you got 1,400 wigs laying around. You ain't using. Or maybe. Alright. Yeah. But OMG. So I'm gonna have a couple more weeks coming. So you get to see. And I may do a little, like I said, a little video on the view. But let me know, would you like to see that? Because I may put it on my other channel and try to resurrect it. Is that something you would be interested in? I don't know. Or should I just stick to eating? Hey. Oh. You tell me. You know what I mean? Let's get some insider perspective. Yeah. Love it. And I ain't used to wearing her. I haven't wore her in a minute. And then also I may do some videos and let me know if you like the face. Right. When I do drag and switch to Miss Lee page, would you like to see a get ready with me? Yeah. So let me know. So yeah. These egg rolls are money. These shrimp, and these are coconut shrimp. Actually, let's try with a little bit of sauce. Too much effort. I'm telling you. My food. Got a lip. So we got 2 meat patties. One is spicy. I think 1 spicy beef and 1 spicy chicken. So they're both supposed to be spicy. And I'm telling you, this pizza is money, honey. This pizza is money. OMG. And I just took her off the wig stand, brushed her out, beat her out a little bit. I didn't spray her down, so. But this is kind of why I like it. Like these wigs, like, they have memory. But when you start messing with them more, like, I don't think you can go wrong. They got a little memory in them, which is nice. Alright, so we got a little fish and tartar. Light, flaky, airy. Not gonna lie, a little greasy. But these are very flaky and light, and very non-greasy. Of course, you know we got sit back and relax. But no, we don't have vodka today. Not today. Girl, hang on. revive her. Because I know you probably fainted. Sorry, honey. Didn't mean to make you pass out. We do not have vodka today. We have Diet Coke. Can you guess what I have besides vodka? Put in the comments. So let me know. Where's this pizza? From the Dollar Tree or the regular store? Where the egg rolls at? From the Dollar Tree or the regular store? Where's this fish at? From the regular tree or the dollar store? And we're gonna get back to munching because, honey, I gotta get into these meat pies. Sugar. You hear that? Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Flaky. Mm-hmm. Yummy. But big. And these pies are money. And like I said, I'll let everybody know in the next video whether you got it right or not. Now, I believe this is supposed to be the spicy beef. Oh my God. Look at the layer. Look at those layers of flake. Oh. The same. Yeah. So, have you seen my last video of the West African food? Yeah. I think the video was acting up and you could see through my head because of the gold. Oh. I had to be a little extra today. And we just testing that theory out. Was it the gold? Don't go with green screen, which I may not. Or was it just the software acting chuggy buggy? You know. Because some days they do act up. I don't have no act right on. At all. These little egg rolls, spring rolls. I don't know, I was just wanting everything crunchy, tasty. I couldn't decide what I wanted to eat today. You know, I just wanted some. Like one of my favorite foods, and you probably heard me say this more than once, is like appetizers. Like a whole bunch of different appetizers. I know as a kid growing up, I used to love Chili's appetizers, like all the whole platter. Maybe. Or like when I go to certain spots, I used to get nothing but appetizers. I think until I was up. Because back then I didn't go eat out a lot either. I always made homemade food. Or I made food. Oh. But I also want to taste it, you know. Some different stuff. Cheers, y'all. Like, I just didn't want a big lobster. I didn't want a big steak. I wanted to taste a little bit of everything. So, this is good. So, let's see what this one is. I couldn't tell you whether that was beef or chicken or not. But we'll see if this is. Or if we can tell this is. Now, she's definitely flaky. And crispy. Like I said, the filling is so ground up, you couldn't tell. It got so many spices. Now, are they spicy? No. Well, maybe you, but not for me. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Kind of the same. I want to say this is chicken. Because this tastes more like beef, I think. But who knows? It doesn't matter. Well, honey, I'm not going to keep you too long today. Sugar was coming with the first video, so pizza, Dollar Tree or not. The shrimp that I devoured, the coconut shrimp, Dollar Tree or not. The fish, Dollar Tree or not. Spring rolls, Dollar Tree or not. And the meat pies, Dollar Tree or not. Hey, let me know. And also, like I said, we ain't drinking vodka today. So let me know what I'm drinking on. Which I already let you know the soda. But you know what? Liquor I'm drinking on. And get you some hot sauce and merch. Get you a bonnet, baby. That way you can just pick her up, pin her back, put it under the cat, and she's gonna look fabulous when you want her to roll out. You know what I mean? Yes. Until next time, peace. Atrial, and you've been Vern Bang, baby. Yes, honey, you've been Vern Bang. Yes, and I love. Let me know. You really love. Look at the back. Yeah. This is actually 2 wigs, in case you're wondering. Yes, more than 1 wig. But it looks more natural, like on somebody like me. Till next time, you already know you won't be the best you. Sugar. And honey, if there's one thing, never let anybody ever change you. Or tell you how to style your own wig, baby. Because you and you are perfect. Just the way you are. Or just the way you like her. Hey. Anyways, y'all, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Trying to mix it up and do something different. So, anyways.